Hi, I'm Matt and I'm going to be walking through setting up search folders in Outlook. Okay, so to create a new search folder, when you're in Outlook, down the left here, at the bottom you should see the search folders option. To create a new one, if you just right click that option and select new search folder, you'll then be given a list of all of the predefined search folders that are available. For example, the first one listed here is unread mail, which is the one that I created here earlier as a test. So when you hit OK on here, it will create a search folder and it will be listed underneath. So for example, with this particular search folder, it will list all of my unread emails that are in my inbox, just in this one folder. So it filters out any emails that I have clicked on or that I have read. There is also the option, when creating a new search folder, to create a custom search folder. So if we select that and then select the choose button, you'll then be given the option to give the folder a name. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to call it test. And then you want to hit the criteria button to set the filter options. The first tab, called messages, allows you to set a criteria based on the content of the email. For example, as you can see, you can search by words, from addresses, sent to addresses. The second tab, more choices, allows you to filter by the condition of the email. For example, the status of the email, whether the email has attachments or not, how important the email is, and whether emails are flagged, and also you can filter them by category. The final option gives you a much finer filter. So for example, if you select the field button here, there are many more options that you can filter your emails by. So the list is quite extensive. As an example, I'll just use to address here, and you can change the condition as you can see here. So you can select emails or filter emails that contain this particular to address that you want to set it under the value box here. If you want to clear all of the options that you've set, you can select the clear all button and it will clear them. If we hit OK and hit OK and then OK again, you can see that my test search box here is listed. So that is how you create search folders in Outlook.